How to see who's logged into your Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. Now to update Instagram, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar. Now type Instagram and tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Instagram and click on the update button. Now after installing the update, go back to the home screen and open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on profile at the bottom right corner, then tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now simply go to account center. Now wait for some time and tap on password and security. Now click on where you are logged in. Now tap on Instagram account. Now on this page you can find all of the devices that logged into your Instagram account. Although it's not possible to see the person who logged into your Instagram account, you can still see the device type and their location. If you want to log them out, simply tap on the device and tap on logout. Again tap on logout, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.